Students, as I told you, today we shall study and work out the dialogues, the conversations which are given in your textbook. There are about 5 to 6 are there, and we'll study that. Then we'll go for the exam questions. Your questions are always in the form of a dialogue. There will be 5 sentences and you have to change them into reported speech. So the first one, please see the page number 25. There is a conversation between an American and Swami Ramtirtha. Okay, I'll read the conversation dialogue. American: gentlemen, where is your luggage? So this is a WH question. Swami Ramtirtha: my whole luggage is on my body. This is a statement. American: where is your purse? WH question. Swami: I don't possess any money with me. It is a statement. Again, American: do you have any friend in America? So this is a yes or no question. Swami Ramtirtha: yes, I have one. You are that friend of mine. This is something like an examination pattern question. That's for practice. Okay, we'll start one by one. Please see page number, next page only. You have fill in the blanks. See that and then start filling up. I'll just solve it. You have to fill up. When Swami Ramtirtha visited America, he came across an American who asked him where his luggage was. Please write down where his luggage was. Then he replied to him that his whole luggage was on his body. His whole luggage was on his body. Okay. Next. Then the American asked him where his purse was. Where is your purse becomes where his purse was. Swami Ramtirtha replied that he did not possess any money with him. He did not possess. Direct speech is I don't possess any money with me. It becomes he did not possess any money with him. Next, the American asked if he had any friend in America. If he had any friend in America. This is a yes or no question. We have to use if. Swami Ramtirtha replied that he had one. Yes, I have one. That is, he had one, and the American was that friend of his, and the American was that friend of his. Okay, again once more I'll read, and if you please fill in correctly. When Swami Ramtirtha visited America, he came across an American who asked him where his luggage was. He replied to him that his whole luggage was on his body. Then the American asked him where his purse was. Swami Ramtirtha replied that he did not possess any money with him. He did not possess any money with him. Then the American asked if he had any friend in America. Swami Ramtirtha replied that he had one, and the American was that friend of his. Okay, so please fill in. Then we'll go to the next. There are how the verbs are changing. I already gave these things rules. See, for example, do, does becomes did, am, are, is present form becomes was or were. You can just read the things. Only that you have to add two things at the end. Come, in this point, come becomes go. Come becomes go. And thus, thus becomes so. Please add these two words. Remaining all, it's okay. Okay. Now, the sentences I already did in the last class. That is, the kids say truth is beauty. This is all over. I have not touched the dialogues only. So, we'll go to the dialogues. The next one is page number 28. Where at the end, Amit, dialogue between Amit and Ullas. Amit and Ullas. There are 5 lines. So in exam, it will carry 5 marks. This is a pattern. Okay, I'll read the example. Amit, what are you doing this weekend? What are you doing this weekend? Ullas, I don't have any special plans. So first one is a WH question. Second is a statement. Then how do you like the idea of a visit to Sakrebailu? This is a question. It comes under WH question only. How do you like the idea of a visit to Sakrebailu? Ullas, how lovely it sounds! Exclamatory. But I have to ask my parents. Statement. Last is Amit. I will come to your house and request your parents. This is a statement. So there are 5 sentences, 2 WH questions, 2 statements, and 1 exclamatory. So this is how examinations they mix up and give. So let us see how it is being worked out. See page number 29 on the top. Page number 29 on the top. It goes like this. Amit asked Ullas. Amit asked Ullas what he was doing that weekend. It's already done. What he was doing that weekend. This is the answer for what are you doing this weekend, Ullas? Okay, the first line. The second line goes like this. Ullas replied that he did not have any special plans. He did not have any special plans. So this is the second line. Third is Amit suggested the idea of visiting Sakrebailu. Idea of visiting Sakrebailu. Third line. Then fourth one, Ullas exclaimed. Exclamation idu. Exclaimed that it was a wonderful idea. That it was a wonderful idea, and added that he had to take his parents' permission. He had to take his parents' permission. Last line is Amit promised Ullas that he would go to his house. He would go to his house. See, come has become go. I will come has become he would go to his house and request his parents. And request his parents. It is already done in the book itself. Okay. Next we have got some exercises. The third one is an exercise that is between Roshan and manager. Roshan and manager. So it goes like this. I'll read the dialogue. Roshan, may I come in, sir? Manager, yes, come in. Sit down. What is your name? So statement, then imperative sentence, then a WH question, all mixed up. Then Roshan says, my name is Roshan. Then manager, can you drive a car? It's a yes or no question. Roshan, yes, I can. Statement, I have been driving for 3 years. So this also a combination of different kinds of sentences. There are 5 lines, 5 marks. Okay. Then see the passage at the bottom. You have to fill up. I'll just read, start filling up. Roshan respectfully, because the word sir is there, so we use respectfully. Ask the manager. It's a question. So ask the manager if he might go in. If he might go in. Okay. This is first sentence. Second one. The manager asked him to come in. The manager asked him to come in and sit down. Sit down. Write down. The manager asked him to come in and sit down. Next one. The manager then asked him what his name was. See, what is your name becomes what his name was. Roshan said that his name was Roshan. Of course, here it is repeating only. So his name was Roshan. Then the manager asked him if he could drive a car. This is yes or no questions. Can you drive a car? So you have to use whether or if. So the manager asked him if he could drive a car. Next, Roshan told him that he could drive and added that he had been driving for 3 years. See, Roshan told him that he could drive and added that he had been driving for 3 years. When the statements continue, then we can put like this. He added, he continued. Like that you can in between say. Okay. I hope you are filled up. The next conversation is between a customer and a barber. Customer and a barber. There is a customer. I must be at the meeting at once. I can't spare another minute. The barber says, I know all about the meeting. Statement. Customer. Then you let me go there. It's a question. Will you let me go there? Then barber. I am afraid I won't, sir. I am afraid I won't, sir. So here again there are 5 sentences. In the first customer there are 2 sentences. I must be at the meeting at once. First one. I can't spare another minute. Second one. I know all about the meeting. Third. Then you will be let me go there. Fourth. I am afraid I won't. Sir, the fifth one. So we have to change them. Report the examination. It will be like this. Report the following conversation or dialogue. Okay. Let us see how it goes. The customer said to the barber. The customer said to the barber that he had to be at the meeting at once. He had to be at that meeting at once. See, must becomes had to. In your book it is given how the verbs are changing. Must becomes had to. So, the customer said to the barber that he had to be at that meeting at once. He added that he could not spare another minute. See, I can't spare another minute becomes he could not spare another minute. Next one. The barber said that he knew all about the meeting. I know becomes he knew all about the meeting. Then the customer says, then the customer asked the barber whether he would let him go there. Whether he would let him go there. So here it is a yes or no questions. It is like this, will you let me go there? The thing is they have put in a different way. Then you will let me go there. Since there is a question mark, it is a question only. So yes or no questions. If he would let him go there. Then the barber said that, you can say respectfully because there is a word sir at the end. The barber said respectfully that he was afraid. So I am afraid becomes he was afraid. And added that he would not. I won't. Won't means will not. So it is changed like this, that he would not. Okay, I'll read the whole thing again. The customer said to the barber that he had to be at the meeting at once. He added that he couldn't spare another minute. Barber said that he knew all about the meeting. The customer asked the barber whether he would let him go there. Barber said respectfully that he was afraid and added that he would not. So this is how it is changed into reported speech. So next is a small one between the mother and the children. Mother and the children. Let me read the direct speech. Who is that lady? The children ask the mother. So this is a children asking the mother, who is that lady? Mother replies, she is a close friend, very dear to me, said the mother. She is a very close friend, very dear to me, said the mother. Then how come you never told us about her? It's a question. WH question adu. Said the children, when the time comes, you will know everything, the mother replied. So sometimes they don't put the children, mother in the form of, they give directly like this. But you have to understand who is asking whom. So here also we have 5 sentences and 5 changes you must make. So write down in the place given. First one, the children asked their mother who that lady was. So who is that lady becomes who that lady was. The children asked their mother who that lady was. Next, the mother told them that she was a close friend, very dear to her. The mother told them that she was a close friend, very dear to her. Then the children surprisingly asked their mother why she had never told them about her. Why she had never told them about her. The last sentence, the mother assured them that when the time came, they would know everything. When the time came, they would know everything. So this is how it is changed. I'll read again. Please complete, write properly. Okay. The children asked their mother who that lady was. The mother told them that she was a close friend, very dear to her. The children surprisingly asked their mother why she had never told them about her. The mother assured them that when the time came, they would know everything. When the time came, they would know everything. Okay. The next is on page number 31. Page number 31. One is the reporter and Sachin. Reporter and Sachin. So, I'll read the direct speech. Reporter. Congratulations, Sachin. You have now another world record to your credit. Sachin. God is great. I only enjoy my cricket. Reporter. After 200 not out in an ODI, what next? Can we hope for 400 plus innings in a test match? Sachin, I shall try my best. So here also, so there are 4, but there are 5 sentences there and it carries 5 marks. It's only an example. Okay, I'll just change them into reported speech. First one, the reporter congratulated Sachin and said that he had then, now becomes then, another world record to his credit. The reporter congratulated Sachin and said that he had another world record to his credit. Okay, next. Sachin told the reporter that God is great. Why it is not changed into was? Because it is a universal truth. Reporter that God is great, and added that he only enjoyed his cricket. He only enjoyed his cricket. The reporter inquired what would be next after 200 not out in an ODI. Only changes to be made, remaining will be same. What would be next after 200 not out in an ODI? He further asked if they could hope for 400 plus innings in a test match. He further asked if they could hope for 400 plus innings in a test match. Then lastly, Sachin assured that he would do his best, or he would try his best. So this is how it is changed. Again, I'll just repeat once more. Please fill up properly. The reporter congratulated Sachin and said that he had then another world record to his credit. Sachin told the reporter that God is great and added that he only enjoyed his cricket. The reporter inquired what would be next after 200 not out in an ODI. He further asked if they could hope for 400 plus innings in a test match. Sachin assured that he would try his best. Okay, next we have a beautiful one that is from Sunny Morning, Don Laura, Don Gonzalo. The same one has come for this exam, last year exam, and the first exam in 2015. 3 times it has come. So this part I'll do in the next class. Next class only exam questions I'm going to do. Whatever has come in your exams, annual exams. So when I do that, this will be coming. So this I am skipping now. Now there is another small one. That is there's a conversation where you have to fill up with what the options are given there. Okay. Read the following conversation and complete the passage given below. The policeman. What is her full name? The woman. She is Veena Sharma. Policeman. Can you describe her? The woman. She is thin and fair in complexion. Very short one, but they have given a different way. Options are given, you have to fill up. The policeman asked the woman, then you go for A. A optionally, there are 4 things, A nally, which you have to fill up. That was her full name. Second one, what her full name is. Third one, what her full name was. Fourth one, that what her full name was. So the correct answer is third one. So third one is what her full name was. See, direct speech is what is her full name. So this is changed into the third option. What her full name was. So in that dash, you write the number. Just write number 3. Then you refer to the 3. What her full name was. Then the woman replied. Go for the B question. Options. Replied dash Veena Sharma. here we go to the second one, that is that she was. First one is if she was, then that she was, then she was, and she is. So statement, so we say that she was, that is second option, that she was. Then the policeman further asked, go for C, further asked her, C nalli, whether she could describe her, whether she can describe her, if could she describe her, if she can describe her. So here the answer is second one. Can you describe her? Whether she could describe her. First one only. The policeman further asked her whether she could describe her. First option. Let us see. Next one, continue. The woman said, dash and fair in complexion. So go for D. The woman said that she was thin, that she is thin, if she was thin, if she is thin. Okay, here again the first option, that she was thin. Okay, because she is thin becomes that she was thin. So just fill up the numbers. Again I'll repeat. The policeman asked the woman, third option, what her full name was. What her full name was. Then the woman replied that she was. Second option, that she was Veena Sharma. The policeman further asked her. Policeman further asked her whether she could describe her. First option, whether she could describe her. And the woman said that she was thin and fair in complexion. She was thin. That is number one. So this is how you must fill up. Now we have two pictures based on the lessons we have studied. First one is two deer and the second one is water. It is not taken. So two deer and water. So the dialogue goes like this. It's a conversation. It's not a dialogue. It is a utterances. They speak. The what is that? The criminal says, I have nowhere to go. What can I do? You have ruined my character by your sentence. People will turn their backs on me. You have treated me badly. So this is a utterance or spoken by the criminal. The minister comes and tells him, why don't you go away? Then he replies like this. This has to be changed into reported speech and written here. So I'll just tell you, you must please fill up. The criminal said that he had nowhere to go. The criminal said that he had nowhere to go. He asked what he could do. He asked what he could do. He added that he had ruined his character by his sentence. He had ruined his character by his sentence. People would turn their backs on him. People would turn their backs on him. And they had treated him badly. They had treated him badly. So, please fill up. I'll read once more. The criminal said that he had nowhere to go. He asked what he could do. He added that he had ruined his character by his sentence. People would turn their backs on him and they had treated him badly. Okay. Now next is one more is there on from the water. The lesson is not taken for you. It is the water. I think it's about 12th lesson. So in that story, there is a character called Roof, and we have Marcus. Marcus is the party candidate, and Roof is the campaigner here. Okay. So I'll read the text. How can I betray Marcus? I should not have accepted the money. Besides, I have sworn on the EE. What should I do? I am in a fix. EE or IE, whatever it is the name of the goddess, deity, local deity in Africa. Okay, when we come to the lessons, we will deal with that. E is a deity, a small statue. On that, pramana martana. Okay, that is the context here. The man is called Roof. Rufus Okeke is full name, but we call him as Roof. So Roof speaks these words. Okay, how can I betray Marcus? Roof asked how he could betray Marcus. It's a WH question. How he could betray Marcus? He said that he should not have accepted the money. He said that he should not have accepted the money. Besides, he had sworn on EE. He had sworn on EE. Then he again asked what he should do. What should I do? What he should do. Should cannot be changed. So what he should do. And added that he was in a fix. And added that he was in a fix. So this is how you must write. Please fill up. Again, if you have filled up, just verify. Roof asked how he could betray Marcus. He said that he should not have accepted the money. Besides, he had sworn on EE. He again asked what he should do. He added that he was in a fix. So with this, I have completed all the dialogues, conversations, all given in your workbook. Okay. The next class, we will go for the exam questions so that you will be thorough. See, I have taken into 5 units. Reported speech, sometimes people just do it in 1 or 2 classes. I have taken 5 videos. The first one is on introduction, what is reported speech. The second is on the rules to change direct speech into reported speech. Third was sentences from the text as well as some extra sentences, how to change different kinds of sentences. That is statements, WH questions, yes or no questions, commands, request, exclamatory, everything. Then this is the 4th unit, 4th part of reported speech, where I have dealt with the dialogues and conversations given in the textbook. All the things I have solved, and I hope you have all written. Okay. Next class, we'll do only exam questions. What has come in the exam? So that you are supposed to be thorough with all this. If you are following, if you have understood, if you are careful, you will understand and you will be able to do well. Okay then. Thank you and bye.